Hi everyone, welcome to Self Makeup Mastery channel, and here we are with another new look. But wait, in this you're going to learn a lot of tips on foundation, how to blend the foundation. If you get a wrong foundation, what are the tips that you can do to blend it really well? And you're going to learn how to create an amazing teal blue eye look with this sari. You can use this look for any occasions that you go for, if it is sari or if it is salwar or anything. Even if you can use this particular eye look for any western outfits as well. Without wasting any time, let's go ahead and learn how to create this look. So as you see, this is a teal blue shade sari that I'm wearing today. So I want to keep something with a teal color on the eyes. Please remember that whenever we do a makeup, either you have to highlight either eyes or lips. So initially I thought I should go for milder eyes and a maroon lipstick. Then I thought I can do the look some other day. So I can try a teal eyeshadow with a simple and a nude look. Okay. So to start with, moisturizer is must on a clean face. Massage the moisturizer into the skin. Nykaa Skin Shield. It's called, it's number 2, Very Vanilla. This is one of the perfect shade for me. I'm just using it all over. This is a very good coverage, so you do not need a concealer if you think you need a coverage. This is a full coverage foundation, and then blend it evenly. I'm going to blend it on the eyelids as well, so that creates a base for my eyeshadow. It may look one shade fairer than my skin tone, but that's okay. We can blend it up with compact once we are done with the foundation. So I'm just taking another brush, a plain brush, and then blending it away. And always make sure you blend the foundations downwards, then circular motion. Going with a compact. The compact is exact shade. So what happens initially when you do your foundations, and if you feel the foundation is too much, wait till you finish your entire makeup, because when the foundation, you apply the foundation, you have not groomed your brow, you have not highlighted your eyes, your lips also looks very pale. This generally happens because of your features are not highlighted. Your foundation may look too cakey, too heavy at the initial stages of the makeup. So let the foundation settle in for 10 to 15 minutes and then decide if you want to go less or go more. Don't get scared the moment you apply the foundation. Oh my god, the foundation is cakey, or I made a blunder out of this look. You see how the face looks now. Now go over the contour and the blush. The moment you add color to your face, your foundation starts settling in. So I'm going over the cheeks here, the jawline, then the nose, and the forehead. So you see, now what happens? The foundation starts only highlighting in those areas, and rest all looks like very shadowed or contoured. Now let's highlight our eyebrow. All the product details are below, the links are also given below. Whenever I do this eyebrow, right, I just fill the gaps, I don't give any shape. Now here is a fun part that we are going to go with the eyes. Now the trick for the eyes is you need some kind of a color onto your lids, otherwise it doesn't look nicer. So because we want the strong color to be highlighted, which is the teal shade that goes with my sari. So from the Smashbox palette, I have this particular product which has a sheen. Let me show you. It's like a skin color, but it has a shine. All I'm doing is taking the color, just going over my eyelid, just roughly. I'm not using any brush. Just roughly, I'm just patting the color onto the eyelid. Now here I'm using K Beauty Twisted Kohl. This is a teal shade. Has a little greenish tint to it. It has a blue and green, but my sari is more of a blue teal. But it's still okay. I'm going with this. If at all I need it, I'm going to use this color from Smashbox palette and pat it up to get the exact same shade. I do not want wing. We don't want to do any traditional look here. See, we are going to blend this for sure. So don't worry about the precision at the beginning. Let me go with the mascara. And then for lips, I'm using Lust On. Just tapping it to get a natural color. But I don't want this to look too pinky. So for this, I'm using a brown lip pencil to match the sari shade. Giving that ombre effect. Now, only keeping this eyes may not look nicer, so we need something in black to highlight this. So I'm going to use a liner to either define my eyes and then go with the lashes. So very thin to define the blue and very close to the lashes. Take a small angular brush, use this shade in the palette, go for a setting spray to it. And clean the edges if you like. Let's go with the lashes. We go with the black bindi. Let me go with the lashes. I always add the lashes at the end. The only reason to add the lashes at the end is because when the lashes are very heavy, the eyes tends to close. Okay, so you cannot have a wider lifting eyes. So it's always better to have the weight at the end than the full eyes. But again, it's your choice. Once it dries, I'll go with one more coat of mascara at the end. But this is the final look. So you can see how the makeup was before all these highlights, just the foundation. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel to learn lot of makeup looks and tips and hacks when it comes to self makeup. All the product details are in the description, you can check it out. So that's it guys. So here is a look, and I do not want to overdo it with the jewelry and everything. I have just added a pair of traditional jhumkas for this look, and then the bindi is also very simple because all the attention I wanted to be on the eyes, which is steel blue. So always remember, whenever you do your makeup, keep one um, feature in your mind, and that has to be highlighted, and keep everything else minimal. And that's how you give any purpose or value to a particular look. So I hope you enjoyed watching this tutorial, made a lot of notes, and don't forget to share this video to all the makeup lovers that you know, or whoever is struggling with a makeup, self makeup, then you can share this video with them. So let's meet up with another look another Friday. Till then, bye bye.